This is Hairmyres railway station on the East Kilbride branch from Glasgow Central. It lies in South Lanarkshire and serves the large hospital at Hairmyres. Pre-COVID time it had about 650,000 passenger journeys a year. Hairmyres was opened by the Busby Railway in 1868, when it was worked by the Caledonian. The distance is about 10 miles from Hairmyres to Glasgow. The area was somewhat rural, and the track between Busby and East Kilbride was always single track. Still is today, but there's a passing loop just to the east of the station. There was once quite an extensive network of sidings here, as the railway used to serve the old Radio Times printing works. The station building, built of stone, survived until the 1990s and has now been replaced by a modern shop. There are plans to build a new railway station about 600 metres to the west towards Thornton Hall. The next station down the line towards Glasgow Central is Thornton Hall. Not all the trains stop here. There's generally a half an hourly service at the other stations. Lying to the east of Hairmyres is the single track, one platformed East Kilbride station. East Kilbride is the terminus. There have been several plans over the years to extend the line into the modern town centre. However, these have come to nothing. There were plans for track enhancements on the branch. However, these have been cancelled. The electrification of the line, though, is continuing.